Going to downtown. 4 more minutes and the bus is here. Yeah, I'm making a run to downtown to get some prescription medication. There's a renting e-bike right there. This is how the Seattle bus system works. You just tap your Orca card, which I just did. Little map of the bus route. Yeah, going to downtown. Been a while. Been a while. Let's hope that when I go to downtown, there will be no drama. But if there is drama, I will record it for you guys, for your enjoyment and entertainment. On the bus, going to downtown Seattle.
Next stop, North 65th Street.
They say Asian hate crime is on the rise, like 3 million %. We'll find out. That's Green Lake from a bus perspective. Then it's Lake Union. Check it out, man. Check it out. This is a world famous store. See, from France. I can't even pronounce it. Roche-Beaubois. So this condo is the Escala condominiums, and believe it or not, this is what 50 Shades of Grey is based on. Yeah, man. The book 50 Shades of Grey, when the author based most of the things that happen in 50 Shades of Grey based on this condominium, Escala. The penthouse up top is $1 million penthouse, helicopter landing pad. There you go, man. A tourist attraction. 50 Shades of Grey, baby. Woo. Escala condominium. Famous Seattle monorail goes all the way to the Space Needle. They're trying to expand it to the whole city. but right now it's basically a tourist attraction. Okay, I'm at Bartell's waiting for my prescription. There's a itsy bitsy tiny little unicorn made out of rubber. I'm gonna hook up Ashley with it. It's only like $2. It's real soft too. It's cool or what? And also, check out my fingernails. This is like 2 days of growth. When you get natural vitamin D, you get bone and ligaments and fingernail growth like crazy. I have to clip my fingernails and toenails non-stop whenever I get a whole bunch of natural vitamin D from the sun. Yeah. Put my prescriptions here soon. Downtown Seattle. Okay. Going to the bus stop. Check it out. Some hustling going on the sidewalk. Yeah. Woo. Show you guys how Orca card works. See, that's how it works. There, upcoming Lake Washington. Lake Union. I think it's called both. There's the world famous Canless restaurant. Yeah. A steak costs $50. There's the world famous Lake Washington, Lake Union. Check it out, man. Check it out. Is that cool or what? Lots of people living on the lake. Mind blown. About to get off. Not much of a downtown trip. Less drama. Sorry guys, there was no drama for your mama. Just like the regular patrols, man. For some reason, the gangsters, the thugs, the racists, blah 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 blah, the bullies, they do not want to target Mr. Wilpins. Dude, I was walking by all these crazy people, all of the above, and I was like, hey, Asian person here, what's up? None of them wanted to mess with me, man. What's up with that? Jeez.